I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas
Good morning,
is all about.
everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Got to love some Vlogmas fun.
Like frost nipping at your nose.
It is 8:30 in the morning on Saturday, which is so much fun. But such is Vlogmas. I have to finish editing the vlog that has to go up today, so that is what I am here to work on. I made myself a chai here, and by the way, I want to let you guys know, finally got my Very Merry Molly, is that what I called this? Molly mug? Very Merry Molly mug? I'm pretty sure that's what I called it. Back up on my website, so if you guys are interested in getting like the holiday version of the Molly mug, let me know. I've been meaning to do that and just hadn't gotten around to it yet, so there you go. Go have a look. I saw a couple people saying that they didn't want to pay $20 for a mug that they couldn't put in the dishwasher, which I totally feel you. I also hate doing dishes, so I get where you're coming from. It's just a mug, pretty easy to clean. Takes, 10 seconds, but also totally understand. So this is a holiday mug that can go in the dishwasher, and it also retails for $20, so there you go. Have at it. I'm gonna have a link to that down below. Sorry if that came off sassy. I didn't mean to be sassy. I just mean like, it's not that big of a deal to clean one mug, but I also hear you because I hate doing dishes so much. So much. Least favorite activity. So there you have it. Anyway, I need to dive into some editing here, and then we're gonna see where this day brings us. I have a couple errands that I want to do during the day, and then we're going out to dinner with some friends tonight, so should be a fun time. I got my trusty guard cat out here, keeping an eye out while I work. Okay, it is around 11 and got Vlogmas up, good to go. And now I want to take advantage of having the rental car still, and we are going to Trader Joe's. Gonna do a big ol' haul. I'm very excited. Just threw on like something comfy. My hair looks so crazy, you guys. I'm probably gonna need to wash it again before we go out tonight because she is not looking her best. So what are we gonna do with her for now? Throw it up? I don't know why it got like so out of shape so quickly this time. Maybe do like a little messy bun moment up top again. This little piece just like bobbing out. I gotta brush my teeth still too, so I'm going to do that. And then we are heading out to Trader Joe's. All right, ready to go. You would literally think that I live in a semi-cold place, and I don't. Just felt like being lazy in leggings today, so we're rocking it. And we are heading out to Trader Joe's now. You know what I almost forgot, you guys? I want to bring some bags to Goodwill to donate. These have just been sitting around in the office for a while, so we're gonna go drop these off now as well. Okay. Guys, I just got to the Goodwill donation center and realized I don't have a mask. So I'm going to go inside and ask if they have an extra, or if I could just drop my bags right outside of the door. I feel horrible. And obviously, I really hope they have an extra because I need it to go into Trader Joe's. So otherwise we have to go all the way back home first. So we'll see how it goes. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Okay, they let me just drop off my donation, which was great, but they did not have an extra mask, or at least they did not offer one. So I'm gonna have to go home before going to Trader Joe's, which sucks, but it is what it is, what are you gonna do? I guess I could try going to Trader Joe's and seeing if they have an extra mask. I'm just gonna go home. I just feel like drive all the way there and then back. It sucks because I'm just wasting 15 minutes going home, but it is what it is, you guys. Has to be done. Okay. Mask acquired. Bye, Molly. Finally at Trader Joe's, you guys. Jeez, I was such a bitch having to go home, but I'm glad that we did it. We have our mask now, it's fine. And I'm gonna leave my glasses in the car, so they're a little extra with a mask. But anyway, we're gonna head inside. Last time I was in this Trader Joe's, I got yelled at for vlogging, so if so, I'll switch to my phone and try to get a couple sneaky clips. But obviously, for the most part, we'll just be doing a haul when I get home. Here we go. new item section. Love to check this out, obviously, every time. And this looks amazing. Truffle spicy pasta sauce. I'm gonna get 2 of these. That sounds so good. Gotta get the faves. These are so good. The sour ones, amazing. Ooh, and these are so good too. This looks super delish. Definitely want to try this. I love sweet and salty. This is our favorite shrimp. Okay, how good does this look? We have to try it. Yum. I have been out of this for too long. I am so excited to have it back. Cart is definitely filling up. Speaking of, my favorite mac and cheese. Thank you. Alrighty, I think we're stocked up and ready to go. Okay, we are on the move back home. Got all the groceries loaded up in the car. So here's the plan, because things are gonna be moving sort of fast. We're gonna go home, I'll do a Trader Joe's haul. Then we need to drop the car off, and then Connor and I are going to get lunch somewhere. I think that he was getting a little hungry, so we're gonna try to move quick. That way we can get the boys some food. Hi, baby girl. Hi, I'm happy to see you too.
Yeah, so happy to see you. It's a good girl.
All right, let's pull all these bags over here. Oh yeah. Here we go, my favorite thing in the world, a Trader Joe's haul. Molly Cat's excited too. Good girl. Oh, I'm pumped, you guys. We got some good stuff, some classics, some new stuff. It's gonna be fun. First up, got this sweet and salty snack mix. I'm not positive, but I think that maybe this is a holiday thing. If so, it is the only holiday item that I ended up picking up. I did have a look at a bunch of them, but it was all just like peppermint and chocolate. Nothing special that caught my eye, so I was like, pass, but let's try this, because I love sweet and salty. Get one of those pretzels. Yes, that is amazing. Got a bag of the sour Scandinavian swimmers, 2 packages of the sriracha tofu, got 3 of the beefless ground beef. This is by far the best beefless ground beef, I just have to say it. So good. Got just a small thing of eggs in case we needed that for anything. And then loaded up on dumplings, as always. Got 2 bags of the shrimp dumplings, and then 3 bags of the vegetable dumplings. We've been going through these even quicker now that Connor eats them, so needed to really load up on them. Also got these chicken cilantro mini wontons. Never tried these, so figured that would be good for lunch. And some bags of our favorite shrimp. This is the Argentinian red shrimp. It's frozen from TJ's, and it is so good. I picked up a couple frozen soups actually, which I thought might be good for lunches. So the first thing I got here is chicken and vegetable wonton soup. Sounds delicious. I know there are more somewhere. Also picked up some French rolls. I was meant to get a baguette for Connor and I, but there was no baguettes that felt like soft. I don't know if they were frozen from when they were baked and had just been put out, because they did feel really cold, but I didn't want to risk it, so went for these little French rolls instead, which will be totally fine for what we were going to use the baguette for. Of course, had to grab a bag of my pickle chips. They're so good. Oh god. Next, I got this beef faux soup. Don't love that it's beef because I don't eat beef a ton, but I really wanted to try their faux soup, and there was no vegetable version or chicken or anything, so beef it was. Totally fine. I like beef. I just try not to eat it too often, so that'll still be good. And then I also got this one, which I think I showed you guys, kimchi tofu soup. Yum. Absolutely yes. I cannot wait to try that. Here's a new snack we got, spicy snack bar mix. Gotta try it. You guys know I have to try all of my snacks as soon as I get home because they are just too good to wait for. Thought this would just be yummy to snack on. Obviously, snack mix. How spicy are you? A little spicy, really not overdone though. So if you're okay with a little bit of spice, you'll be fine with this. The red licorice, this is one of Connor's faves, so I like to pick that up for him. Got a refill on my everything but the bagel and my chili onion crunch. I've been without this for so long. Actually, I have a tiny bit left that I've been like refusing to use. So now that I have a refill, I can finally use it. Oh, this I am so excited. The truffle picante sauce, spicy pasta truffle sauce. I already know that we're gonna be obsessed with that, so I got 2 jars of it. I think the other one's in the other bag. Got a refill on soyaki, one of our favorite marinades, and our dumpling dipping sauce. Okay, almost done, you guys. Whew. 2 boxes of my favorite mac and cheese, the white cheddar shells, so good. Got 3 of the instant spicy ramens, because I like to have those for little late night treats if I'm a little drunk. Another jar of that spicy tomato sauce, and then a refill on my chili lime mayonnaise, because I was all out.
And that's the haul. All of this, you guys, cost me 130 bucks. Like, I got a lot of stuff here. I love how affordable Trader Joe's is. Of course, this is not like our whole grocery haul because I didn't get any vegetables or anything like that we use throughout the week. But obviously at Trader Joe's, I'm there to like stock up on things since I don't get to go too often. So honestly, it probably would have been even less if I was just doing a weekly grocery run there. I'm going to unload all of these groceries and then we need to bring the car back very soon. So let's gonna move on. Alrighty, just got changed quickly into the basic uniform. Jeans, white top, oversized shirt. Been wearing this nonstop. It's just perfect for the weather that we've been having lately, so you can get used to it. But I'm throwing my shoes on. Connor's on his way back now and he's gonna come with me to drop off the rental car. And then we are going to grab a bite to eat right near there. Not sure at this point if more decorating is gonna happen today. That may be a Sunday activity in the end because we are going out with friends tonight and I think Connor and I will probably spend a little bit of time out during the day today. So TBD. It might happen, it might not. We're gonna see. But a little break from decorating would be nice because that's basically all we've been doing the past couple of vlogs. I am super excited to get everything set up though. I'm so excited to get like those little outlets with the remote set up because I think that's gonna be so convenient for just having our ish together here. So that is the current update. I'm very sad to be giving the car back. I loved having it so much. Connor and I are getting, oh, there's Molly Cat, hi baby. Connor and I are getting a car soon, but I'm not sure if it will be before the end of the year at this point, TBD. But I truly cannot wait until we have it because I just absolutely had the best time yesterday running around doing all of those errands, you know what girls call errands, Targets and Home Goods and stuff, Starbucks. And then running to Trader Joe's today, like it's just so nice. Oh, if I could do all our grocery shopping at Trader Joe's again, I would be so happy. I miss those days so much. So there you have it. We are waiting for Connor and then we will be out of here. I also really have to redo my nails today because they are looking bad. But with all of the decorating and shopping and stuff, they didn't stand a chance. I broke like 3 nails yesterday too. Fun stuff. Goodbye, car. Thank you. I'll miss you. Here we go. Back to the walking life. Okay, having some tacos at our favorite spot, VBB, Venice Beach Bar. That's right. Look at this. Oh, I just love this view from up here. It's the best. Got some tacos. I got a grilled fish taco, a battered fish taco, and a shrimp taco, tater tots, and some Mexican rice. Connor got some fish tacos, a shrimp taco. We're gonna chow. Playing some categories with this gorgeous view. Such a nice day. Oh my god. The shit you see out here. Oh my god.
I haven't gotten a good chuckle.
Can't believe I didn't get that on camera.
Yeah.
It's a disappointment. Okay, our next and final stop for the day is oysters, of course, at the Anchor. We have not had oysters together in so long.
I know.
Well, hello everyone. It's been a little bit since I've checked in with you. Connor and I got back here from oysters and then I redid my nails and got in the shower, washed my hair. And now we have about an hour until we need to leave for dinner. I totally forget if I've told you this, but we are going out to dinner tonight at Catch with a bunch of friends. That should be really, really fun. I'm looking forward to it. I just felt like I needed to wash my hair again, even though I just washed it. It just wasn't looking right. So since we were going out to a nice dinner, I just wanted to redo it. It has been quite the day so far though, you guys. I can't believe that I'm going out again. I don't think it'll be too late of a night, but I am still expecting to be a bit hungover tomorrow because we usually are after even just a dinner out. But I don't think it's gonna get too out of hand, fingers crossed, because I want to be semi-functional tomorrow. Here is the jumpsuit, by the way. I'm wearing literally my slides with it right now. Definitely gonna put heels on. Yeah, I feel like this is cute. I was a little worried because it's gonna be chillier tonight, so that's why I wanted like pants, but I still wanted it to be something nicer, so this is what we landed on. Okay, wanted to show you guys the full fit. Connor, come here. Connor and I are matching in all black.
All black, baby.
All black, baby.
Johnny Cash and June Carter.
We love. Looking not so bad, eh?
Right? All right.
And we are about to head out. Yes, baby. Show them the booty. Connor and I are just taking a quick shot before leaving. Our friends are here. Oh god, a shot sounds terrible. I haven't taken a shot in so long.
Stupid idea?
Yeah, literally.
Molly.
Molly cat.
Alright, ready to do this, my love?
Cheers.
To you.
To you. Our original inside joke.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Cold enough, that tequila.
The hot beans are pretty good. Wow, my favorite song and beautiful Christmas lights. How lucky.
Such a wholesome,
As like
drive.
we passed all the good shit.
I know.
Thanks there, negative Nancy.
The Grinch
Becker, I'm picking
over
up a
here.
vibe from you that I really don't like.
I'm gonna only call you Nancy from now
Are you
on.
doing anything?
There's another car.
Are you sure?
Like going up roof?
Female energy today.
But when I first said that,
Slide you over. Thank you so much. Got a little espresso martini. Hi guys. Martinis all around, of course.
But of course,
Cheers,
everyone in
lady.
all black drinking the same drinks because that's who we are.
Shocking. Copy paste at its best.
We're really original, I swear.
cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Wait, we're gonna have to
Cheers, friends.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
I'm gonna get a bit.
So much
We'll make this look
food.
more full.
Yes, thank you. After she's taken her fortune. It's all about the aesthetics, babe.
I want to try those.
So many desserts.
Anyone touches
All the flashes. Oh, that was cute.
So I